in my dream, just when I was walking on the street of Addis Ababa, one of the streets,
Yeah.
so there was a sun eclipse. It was darkness, as there was no light, as a electric light or whatever kind of light.
Really dark.
It was really dark, but there was one person who was walking around with a trumpet. He was blowing the trumpet,
Okay.
and he was saying, the end time is coming, judgment is coming. Unless you believe in Jesus, you will perish.
Wow.
So
That's
that
a
was the
pretty direct
message. Yeah, that person actually walk around, he can see, but other people cannot see and they cannot walk. It was a complete darkness. So the next day, I woke up and I started to think, what is this dream? So I decided to read the Bible and the Quran comparatively.
You already had a Bible, or you could just get?
Just I got from other people. And then it took me 3 years of debating with Christians, discussing with them, reading the Bible, reading the Quran. And after 3 years, at the end of the 3 year, actually I became confused.